Hi there everybody, it's Anna here today. It's again time for the wrap-up video for my January Wild Hare Kits project and leftovers. And this month I created one card and 4 layouts, which I was planning on doing more, but then I had a knee accident, so yes, I know again, and I ripped my cruciate, and I haven't been so much into scrapbooking towards the end of the month because I'm waiting for my surgery appointment. But anyways, I managed to create 4 layouts and this one card, and this one is made with the stamp set that was in my kit. This is the Dear Lizzie stamp set, this one. So I've used several colors, green and red and some pink there too, and black, to create this card. So it's a 1-layer stamped card actually. And I've used these flower stamps here and the leaves for creating this card, and the tiny dots there, that's Nuvo drops, that's from my own stash. I just added that for a fun detail, and the stamp is by Stamping Up, that's from my own stash too. And these were the layouts. This was my scrap lift of Jess Claire's layout, and I've used hold on, what was the paper? That is Pink Fresh Studio, that's Heidi Swap, and I think that's Dear Lizzie. I think so. When I can find the paper. I don't know if I have anything left from that one. I actually don't, as it looks like. So I used pretty much everything from that paper, so I think so. Oh, there it is. So it was this paper, I think that was the Dear Lizzie, and then the Heidi Swap Alphas in there, and also Dear Lizzie chipboard stickers all around the layout, and also this Ephemera is by Dear Lizzie, and also these puffy stickers are from Dear Lizzie American Crafts, and then again here again the same stamp set that came with my kit, and everything is layered on top of each other on white cardstock. And then these ink splatters are from really old product by Studio Calico, Mr. Huey's. I don't know if anybody remembers those, and they are also in my older stash, so they were not in the kit. And that was the first layout that I did, I think. No, it was this one, sorry. This was the first one. This is based on the monthly sketch, and this was based on the scrap lift, monthly team scrap lift project. And this was my first layout that I shared, and this is based on the monthly sketch. And plenty of Dear Lizzie American Crafts going on there, puffy stickers, chipboard stickers, the papers also by Dear Lizzie. That's the collection She's Magic. And then some stamping. This is from my previous kit. I think it was my October kit that the stamp set was in. And everything else is from this month's kit. I had plenty of product in my kit, and I still have lots and lots of product here. And I might even do a layout or two with this kit still, because my February kit hasn't arrived yet. So it's a little bit late, but I'm hoping for Monday or Tuesday that it will arrive. We'll see if I get lucky. And then I can start creating with that one, but until then I could still use some of this product. And then this was just a fun layout that I did using the monthly cut file. So I split it in 2 and matted it with the same Just a Little Lovely collection paper. I hope I still have something here. No, I don't. I've used it all, I think. Yeah, but it's the Just a Little Lovely collection by Pinkfresh Studio, and one of my favorite collections. And then this one is by Heidi Swapp. And this one has this animal print on it, which was not my favorite, but I really like the birds, so this works really nice together. And then lots and lots and lots of Dear Lizzie going on there. And the stamps, the clouds here are stamped with the stamp set. They have clouds on them too. So that was my third layout. And then the fourth one was this one little word layout that I did. I enjoyed creating this one so much. Everything just worked together so nicely. I got inspired by these colorful raindrops. Like, you know, sometimes you're not feeling so good, but still there's a rainbow behind every cloud or whatever. And these funny colors here as raindrops kind of fit, in my opinion, fitted the theme of self-care really nicely. Then some fussy cut flowers from the Pink Paisley Again and Again collection. I still have plenty of that paper left. I love this paper. Then this beautiful yellow background here. And this one is one of the Dear Lizzie papers with the words on it. And I split it in two so that I could have lots and lots of words to cut out. And I've added those here. And this one is a Pinkfresh Studio paper that already has these strips on it, and I just fussy cut everything and then added these Dear Lizzie sentiments or sayings on each and every one that was empty or had no sentiment on it from the beginning. Some of them had, like here these two and these ones, but these are Dear Lizzie that just worked really nice with the colors and everything. And then I've got the puffy stickers there, that's also Dear Lizzie. Then these ones are from the Dear Lizzie chipboard sticker sheet that came with the kit. These ones are Heidi Swapp Honey and Spice collection alphas. And yeah, that's it. And this is one of my favorite layouts I've created with this kit. So it turned out really the way I wanted it to be, and it's one of my faves. And that's it. I've got 4 layouts done with the kit and 1 card for now. Like I said, as I don't have my February kit yet, it's still stuck in the post office or on its way. Here it's already in Austria, but it hasn't arrived all the way to my doorstep yet. But never mind, I still have so much paper left over. I have this one. That's the Dear Lizzie, I think. And this one is Pink Paisley. Some more Dear Lizzie because I saved every single strip that was left over. Then there's this Heidi Swapp paper. And then I've got this cutout pieces, journaling pieces. Then I've got this lovely Pinkfresh Studio paper. Still so much left from that one. I can create so many layouts. And then this Heidi Swapp paper with the cameras and this pattern in the background. Still so much I can do with these. And this is the leftover piece of my favorite paper, and I even saved that. And then all these strips are from the Dear Lizzie that I used on my One Little Word 2020 layout. And then even these tiny bits and pieces of banners I saved because I thought I could use those on cards or whatever. Then I didn't use these at all. I really love these Bramble Fox acrylic pieces, and I wished for these. I said I can always use this. Funny enough, I haven't used any single one on these layouts so far, but I can still do that, and I'm definitely going to save all these, for some of these at least, for next month's layouts too, because they are very versatile and they work with everything, so I can add them throughout the spring season to any layout or card or whatever. And my puffy stickers are almost gone, so I've got only a few. I haven't figured out how to use the pig one, the one with the pig, we'll find a spot for that too. And then I've got lots and lots of die cut shapes from Dear Lizzie left over, so I can do some fun cards or journaling. And of course lots and lots of alpha still left from the Heidi Swap Honey and Spice collection. And then these lovely chipboard stickers from the Delightful collection, also Dear Lizzie. And yeah, that's it, what's left over. So it's basically a petite kit actually, what I still have left. And I might do 1 or 2 things with this still while waiting for my February kit. So stay tuned, I will be sharing them on my blog and also on my Instagram account. I doubt that I will be doing another video because the time will be too short for that, but just a few layouts, so if you drop by my Instagram account you will see them there then later, in maybe this weekend even, we'll see. So that's it, that's my January 2020 layout and project wrap up for the Wild Hare Kits, like I do every month. And I got myself 4 lovely layouts and 1 cute card, and I really like this surprise kit. It's so nice to work with. I love these colors, and it has lots of flowers and everything on it, and to my own surprise I really enjoyed working with flowers, and I love the fussy cutting, so we'll see where that takes me. Maybe next month I will be doing something totally different, or again fussy cutting flowers. We'll see what's in my kit and then decide what to create. So that's it for January. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in a few days, hopefully, when I will be sharing my February unboxing video again with you. See you soon. Bye!